Verifying your bank account on Gtmhub is a straightforward process that ensures secure transactions. Follow these steps to complete the verification. Step 1. Log into your Gtmhub account. Access your Gtmhub account by entering your credentials on the login page. Make sure you have your account details handy. Step 2. Navigate to Payment Settings. Once logged in, go to the Settings menu. Look for the section labeled Payment Settings or Bank Account to begin the verification process. Step 3. Enter bank account information. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breach records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 4. Verify your account. After entering your bank details, Gtmhub may require you to verify your account. This could involve confirming small deposits made by Gtmhub into your bank account. Check your bank statements for these deposits. Step 5. Confirm verification. Once you have identified the deposits, return to Gtmhub and enter the amounts as prompted. This will confirm your bank account and complete the verification process. By following these steps, you can successfully verify your bank account on Gtmhub. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Gtmhub support for assistance.